IBM's 1981 PC launch, with published specs, unintentionally opened the door to clone making. Compaq's 1982 clone kicked off a wave of competitors that drove prices down for decades. Microsoft's licensing deals and Intel's x86 chips became the industry's lasting standards. IBM itself fell behind, selling its PC division in 2005, even as its design lived on. Most modern PCs and servers still trace their roots to that original architecture. Over 45 years, an estimated 2+ billion compatible machines have been sold worldwide.